Exercise tips for weight loss surgery patients. Weight loss surgery is only the start of your weight loss journey. Losing weight and keeping it off requires a balance of nutrition and exercise. A healthy lifestyle, including exercise after bariatric surgery, offers many benefits. Maintains weight loss, reduce the risk of heart disease and some cancers, increase your confidence and self-esteem, help build and maintain muscle strength, endurance and tone, improve your mood, reduce stress and anxiety, promotes joint stability, strength and bone integrity, increase the elasticity of your skin, improve your overall health, well-being and mental perspective. As you prepare to begin physical activity after bariatric surgery, here are some tips to help you stay motivated and keep you safe. Tip number 1. Talk to your doctor. First and foremost, be sure your doctor has cleared you for exercise. It is important to be sure your body has healed and is ready for physical activity. Most patients should be able to begin a more intense exercise routine 6 weeks after surgery. Tip number 2. Take it slow. Allow yourself to ease into regular fitness routine. You aren't going to go run a marathon in the days following your surgery, but it is important to begin walking at least 20 minutes a day immediately after surgery. If needed, break it up with 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes later in the day. Start by walking on flat surface and gradually increase difficulty by incorporating hills into your walk and take up your speed up a notch or two. Tip number 3. Have fun. Find an exercise you will enjoy. If you don't have some fun exercising, you will be less likely to keep up with regular workout routine. The best exercise program for bariatric surgery patients must include cardio, strength training and flexibility. Example of cardio: running, brisk walking, cycling, swimming, dancing, kickboxing, etc. Strength training is lifting weight. It can be done using your own body weight or using weights like dumbbell, etc. In most cases, strength training is not recommended until you are at least 3 months post-op. So be sure to consult your doctor before beginning strength training. To prevent injury while strength training, consider working with a professional fitness trainer who can teach you proper form. Do your stretching exercise before and after every workout. Yoga is a great form of exercise. It works on cardio, strength training, flexibility and balance. Tip number 4. Get the gear. You are on your way to a whole new you. So invest in the right gear you need to exercise, including breathable clothing and a good pair of shoes. Tip number 5. Change it up. Variety is key. If you do the same thing day after day, you will quickly get bored and lose your motivation. Rather than doing the same exercise routine every day, change things up to keep things interesting. For example, on Monday, go for a fast walk. On Tuesday, hit up the weights. On Wednesday, attend a group exercise class. On Thursday, go for a swim. On Friday, try some yoga. Variety in your workout will also prevent your body from adapting to one form of exercise, so you will keep burning a lot of calories and avoid a plateau in your weight loss. Tip number 6. Set clear goals. It's important to have clear, realistic, measurable goals when you are trying to lose weight. To stay motivated along the way, take time to celebrate your small milestones. And on the days you fall off the wagon, don't beat yourself up. Instead, just set your mind to get back with it tomorrow. You may have tried the exercise before, but after bariatric surgery, diet and exercise are much more effective, helping you lose weight, maintain it and restore your health. Weight loss is a challenging and deliberate, but living with obesity is more complicated. With commitment, you can do this because you deserve a better life that awaits you. We believe in you and will always be there at every step. Please feel free to call us for any query. Thank you.